Satu, dua, tiga. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
So, guys, in this occasion, me Muhammad Fadlan Ramadhan Juhana. I'm Muhammad Fadlan Ramadhan Juhana, and also
I'm Muhammad Fakih.
in this occasion, we would like to making a video. So we're gonna talk something. Yeah, in this video, it's gonna be talk show. What are we gonna talk about, Fakih?
The
What about?
activity that we do in IDN.
So the activity, what we do, what we have
Like our routine,
our routines,
and then
our daily, maybe?
daily routine, and then the
Alright.
big activity like Mission
Big event.
Impossible. Yeah, big event like Mission
Okay.
Impossible and etc.
All right. And by the way, so we are IDN student. Also, IDN have so many agenda, right?
Yes.
Yeah, especially we are a network engineer. So as you know, right? We have joining one event, and this event really big. Yeah, I think it's a very big event because it's international event. By the way, it's external outside of IDN.
Yes.
It is AWS, or we can say in bahasa AWS.
Oh yes.
So what do you think about this event?
I think AWS is really helpful for me
Huh?
because from that even I can get knowledge about what is AWS, AWS, sorry, and what company that work with AWS, and how good is AWS in particular.
And lot.
And yes, there is a lot of company, and I see in that even there is so many booths, and the stand is very happily, kindly welcoming us, and there is so many gifts for the visitor to that booth. So it's why I like that AWS even so much.
Because that's international, right?
Yes, it is.
We have joined one times also the national one. So like
Yes.
for Indonesia.
We already joined two
Two times?
in AWS event. One time in UI or Universitas
Indonesia
Indonesia,
University
and the second time is in Pacific Place.
Pacific Place Mall.
Pacific Place Mall. The event start from 12 eh? 12 o'clock until 6 or 5 eh? 5.
Five. No, it's by the way start from 8 o'clock.
Oh, it's
But we are just get the ticket, you know,
Oh, get the ticket
after Zuhur 1 o'clock.
That's why we don't join very much. We start joining to the event start from 1 o'clock
1 o'clock.
until the event is done.
But actually the event start from the morning, right?
Yes.
Because we are just get the how to say the ticket, so we just enter to the event at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
And also, any more? What did you get? If me, my opinion, I was got so many things. Firstly, I was got many relationship, yeah, network. So I was got network because so many person. Yeah, it means so many people from outside Indonesia,
Yes.
or we can say bule. Yeah, a lot of bule.
Yes, there is
Yeah.
from Japan,
Yeah, from Japan,
And then
from Australia, India, and many else. I show many people outside of Indonesia, and that was a very big experiences. I was got it because I was improve my skill, improve my English language. This way I can be more gentle to talk with English language with others.
Yes.
Yeah. Even my English really bad. Well, I don't really good. Yeah, but I got one motivation English is not that hard.
Yes.
So I was trying to speak English, always speak English, I mean. And also, the previous days, yeah, I think 3 days ago or 4 days ago, we have joining a very special event also. So this is an international event. Did you know? The
Oh,
previous one
yes,
on Sunday,
International Education.
yeah.
Yes.
International Education Fair. So that was a very big opportunity for me for joining that event, and also very big experiences. What do you think about that event?
I think that international education event is very helpful for me,
Uh-huh.
and sorry guys, and it is a really great opportunity to get there. I mean, there is a lot of booth there. There is a lot of university from around the world, around the globe, coming to Indonesia just to be a part of that event. It is almost like AWS. You see there is a booth, and then maybe there is a brochure and something like that. And in that event, we were not only talk about university, but we talk about student allowance, like you can get an apartment, and maybe in Australia you can choose. You know, Scape is like a company that give a student a living, like a house, apartment, and
Oh, it means that scholarship.
not like scholarship. It's like it's just giving an apartment, but with a very cheap price. But the the you need to be a student to work with Scape. No, you cannot be a
So there's
foreigner.
the requirement,
Yes,
regulation.
there is a regulation to use Scape, and Scape is also really helpful for student that just go in Australia. Like when you go to Australia, you cannot just buy stuff, apartment, and electricity, Wi-Fi. You must be feeling confused because you're in another country.
Right,
And
and
I
also
think
the price.
the price is,
Oh,
I think
that's
is,
really
yeah,
Hard, hard
maybe
to
it's
say.
good if you're an Australian,
Mhm.
but if you are a foreigner, maybe you need to consider it first about the money.
I see.
And in that booth there's also many university, like there is from Malaysia,
And
China.
also, I saw one a very famous university, Harvard,
There is
isn't it?
Oxford, I
Oh,
think.
Oxford. Sorry,
Oxford.
is that Oxford?
Yes, Oxford is
So there is
really,
Oxford University, one booth, yeah.
yes.
And that's I saw that in that booth. That's the most booth, I think.
The most
how to say-
visited.
Yeah, the most visited.
Visited. There is it is
Oh, so sorry.
I think Oxford is the most visited booth in that event, because yes, you know, Oxford is really a big university, and
Very big.
many students want to studying there.
Right.
And me myself, I'm actually intrigued to go to Malaysia or maybe Singapore, because it is not really that far. And unfortunately, I'm not get to that Malaysian or Singaporean booth. Why? Because the event is so big that the visitor is really
It's the crowd, right?
yeah, it's really crowded there, and I'm queuing like maybe 90 queue. That's why I cannot go to that booth. I need to stay maybe until 9 o'clock. But
Yeah, I see.
the event is ended in 5, yeah? 5 o'clock.
6
Oh, 6 o'clock. That's why you see there is many university. There is a Malaysian, Singapore, I don't know Japan, but China, and then maybe England, and then UK,
UK, yeah.
and then USA, and then many more. And
Actually, it's from 300 countries outside.
yes, it's from 300 countries.
Actually, as I got information,
Oh,
so from 300 countries and 50 booth, or about 50 booth. Inside one booth can be more university.
oh yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I think that's all from us. It's 10 minutes already. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.